Quantitative research is a methodology that focuses on collecting and analyzing numerical data to identify patterns, relationships, and generalizable results. This type of research is widely used in disciplines like economics, psychology, education, and social sciences, where the goal is to quantify variables and measure their impact or correlations. Quantitative research often involves large sample sizes and aims to produce statistically significant results that can be generalized to a larger population. It relies on structured data collection methods, such as surveys, experiments, and observational studies, which can be analyzed using statistical tools and techniques. The primary purpose of quantitative research is to answer questions about how much, how often, or to what extent phenomena occur or are related. It seeks to measure variables and quantify relationships in a way that can be tested for statistical significance. For example, quantitative research may be used to determine the effectiveness of a new drug, assess consumer satisfaction, or measure the relationship between socioeconomic status and educational achievement. By using numerical data, quantitative research allows for objective conclusions and comparisons, providing a clear, empirical basis for decision-making and policy development. Quantitative research is characterized by its emphasis on objectivity, reliability, and replicability. It typically uses structured tools like surveys with closed-ended questions, experiments with control variables, and statistical analyses to process data. Data in quantitative research is often presented in the form of numbers, percentages, or other metrics, and it is analyzed using statistical methods such as regression analysis, ANOVA, or correlation tests. One key feature of quantitative research is its ability to control for extraneous variables, especially in experimental designs, which helps to isolate the effects of the independent variable. This methodological rigor enables researchers to make valid comparisons and draw conclusions about cause and effect relationships. Quantitative research is crucial for providing objective, measurable evidence that can inform decisions in various fields. It allows researchers to test hypotheses and theories in a controlled, systematic way, making it easier to establish patterns or trends across large populations. In healthcare, quantitative research can assess the efficacy of medical treatments or interventions, while in education, it can evaluate teaching methods or student performance. Furthermore, quantitative research contributes to evidence-based practice by providing solid, numerical data that can guide policy and decision-making in areas like public health, economics, and business. The generalizability of quantitative results enhances their applicability to broader contexts, which is essential for large-scale initiatives and studies. Despite its strengths, quantitative research also faces certain challenges and limitations. One major issue is that it may overlook the complexity and context of human behavior by focusing primarily on numerical data. While quantitative research excels at measuring what and how much, it may not fully capture the why or how behind the data, which is often the focus of qualitative research. Additionally, quantitative research requires large sample sizes to ensure statistical power, which can be time-consuming and expensive together. The reliance on structured instruments, such as surveys, may limit the depth of responses or fail to capture nuances that qualitative methods could uncover. Lastly, the assumption that all variables can be measured and quantified may oversimplify complex social, psychological, or cultural phenomena. In conclusion, quantitative research is a powerful tool for producing objective, measurable data that can be used to understand patterns, relationships, and outcomes in various fields. By using numerical data and statistical analysis, quantitative research allows researchers to test hypotheses, establish cause and effect relationships, and make generalizable conclusions. However, it also has limitations in terms of its ability to capture the full complexity of human experiences, making it important for researchers to consider integrating qualitative methods when appropriate to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the subject.